Hello, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new today, welcome. Today we're going to be doing an apartment refresh, clean with me. As you saw here, I have a little bit of a mess in the living room. I have been sleeping on the sofa. Yes, believe it or not, it's much more comfortable than my bed. And yes, my bed is new. It's a year old and I got a bad deal. But anyway, I'm going to be looking for a new mattress topper. Hopefully that will help me out. But for the time being, I'm sleeping so much better on my sofa. So that's why you saw a mess here. You saw my pillows. So I'm just cleaning up. I'm going to be dusting. I'm going to be cleaning some floors, vacuuming. That's the type of cleaning you're going to see here. You won't be seeing any deep cleaning. We're not going to be moving furniture. Believe it or not, guys, I do not enjoy watching those type of videos. So I will not be filming those type of videos. They're not my favorite. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm also going to be showing you how I currently have things decorated after Easter. I kept pretty much everything the same, just put away all my Easter decor, and I'm not quite ready to decorate for summer just yet. So yeah, I'll just show you what I did. I did not decorate on camera. It was just too close to, Easter, and well, guys, how it is. And I have talked about how work has been busy. I haven't been able to film. So this Saturday morning, it was a beautiful day. And I was energized and determined to do some cleaning. So that is what I'm going to be sharing with you today. And yes, I know I look a hot mess, but this is real life, guys. This is what I look like when I clean. My t-shirt is wrinkled. I washed it and yeah, didn't iron it or anything like that. And yeah, this is real life. This is what I look like. I put my hair up in a somewhat of a bun, and this is how I clean. I don't look pretty when I'm cleaning. But this is how my sofa table is currently decorated after Easter. I pretty much kept it, like I said, the same. Just put away all the bunnies, anything that said Easter, any Easter eggs, and this is the current situation, and I really like it. But for the summer, of course, it's going to be all full-on patriotic decor. This side of the living room gets a lot more dust because it's so close to the window. And as you can see, I get a lot of natural lighting, which I love. But with that does come a lot of dust. So I'm just going to be dusting away, as you will see. And then we're going to move on to the other corner of the living room. And again, just doing some simple dusting, wiping things down. And then we're going to move on to my dining area as well as my kitchen. Comment below and let me know if you guys have a certain day of the week that you set aside for cleaning. I pretty much clean throughout the week. I obviously do the normal dishes and, I pass the Swiffer around a lot. But if it's gonna be like a full-on cleaning day, it's usually Saturdays for me. Let me know below if you guys have a specific day. So we're gonna move on to the dining area. I'm going to vacuum my living room at the end. I just wanted to move on and get going over here. I will be steaming the floors and just tidying up some more. I did also remove all my Easter decor here as well. My coffee bar, it's pretty much the same. I'll give you a close-up a little later of my shelves. I just took out anything again that was Easter related and just left everything the same. I brought out a couple of little birds and that's about it. And then you can see there on my rods, I added some lemon decor, nothing crazy, but just, sprinkled in a little bit of summer vibes over here. But I needed to clean the floors. I did spill some coffee not too long ago, so I wanted to steam the floors. And I'm gonna give you also a close-up of that beautiful orchid. It's actually my daughter's, it's not mine. But she wants to leave it here on the table because it's the best lighting. You're not supposed to give it direct sun. So we have it here on the table, so it'll be incorporated in my centerpiece. So I'm gonna be putting out this runner. It's the same one I used last year for summer. This was a Home Goods find, I believe, or Marshall's from last year. And it was a set of 2. And I really like this. I think it's perfect for summer. It's very nautical in my opinion. And yes, I know it's wrinkled. Don't come for me. And then I'm just going to put back the tray that I had with my little greenery. And I'm going to place the orchid there with my dragonfly that I found at Walmart this year. I love that dragonfly. And the coasters were a gift from my sister last summer. And this is a close-up of this beautiful orchid. Fingers crossed we can keep it alive. We don't have green thumbs in this household, but hopefully this orchid can survive. But anyway, I'm finishing up here and we're gonna move on to the kitchen. I did stop at Target the day before and picked up some cleaning supplies and just some milk. I get my coconut milk from Target, and yeah, so just a couple of things. I'm just gonna put everything away and then we're going to clean up the kitchen. One of the things that I picked up at Target was Pine Sol. I want to try to spray some Pine Sol outside. I was told that helps with repelling insects. So we shall see. I diluted some in the bottle and I sprayed some outside, like on my balcony door, all over my balcony, just to see if it helps to repel, because it's that time of year, guys, and I don't like insects. I don't know about you guys, but I don't like them. I hate killing them, but I'll do it. I will do it. Like my daughter says, they cannot come in here living rent free. So let's see if the Pine Sol helps. I do have some lemon decor on my kitchen countertops. I'll show you a close-up once we're done cleaning, but I didn't want to leave them bare, so I just added some lemons here and there, just using items that I had from last year, nothing major, but just wanted to incorporate a little bit of decor over here. So I'm just putting away some flour that my daughter bought. I like to put them in containers. And then we're gonna wash some dishes. I had already wiped down the stove the night prior, so I didn't have to do that this morning. And finish up with the floors. But don't go anywhere just yet. I do want to give you an overview, especially of my coffee bar shelves. And also I want to share with you some candles that I bought. But before that, I just wanted to say real quick, thank you so much for stopping by, and those that keep coming back and commenting and liking my videos. You guys are the best. Thank you so much. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. If you're new here, I would love to have you join my YouTube family. And also to remind you all, I have a vlog channel. So if you guys can go show me some love over there, I would appreciate it. I'll leave the link below. But yeah, let's finish up here, give you an overview, share with you the candles that I bought, and then we'll wrap it up. right, friends, we're done cleaning for the day. I'm going to now give you a close-up of how I have decorated my kitchen for the remaining spring season. And I believe I'm going to leave it this way all throughout the summer as well. So it's going to transition right into summer. And again, using items that I've had already throughout the years, nothing is new. All right, so these are the candles I wanted to share. They're from Copper Candle Co. I will leave their information below. This is the second time I order from them. I truly do like these candles a lot. They did not send me anything free. They're not asking me to review these or anything like that. I bought these with my money. And I'm just sharing them with you because I really do like them and I want to share that with you. And they are pricier than your average candle that you can buy at a store, you know, like a Walmart or Bath and Body Works or whatnot. This is a small company, but they are 100% soy, no harmful chemicals. They burn all the way down, like you really get your money's worth with these. So I would strongly suggest you guys check them out. They do run sales occasionally, so follow them on Instagram so that you can be notified of any kind of sale they're having. But like I said, these are the second time that I order from them. That's how much I like them. So I am trying to do better with getting candles that are better for us and not harmful. So yeah, that's all I wanted to share about that. Let me go on and show you guys my coffee bar shelves. This is how they look now after I've removed all my Easter decor. And like I said, I kept up pretty much everything else the same, added a couple of little birds, and that is it.